Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q5 with MMI system, and I'm going to try to use the emergency reboot procedure to restart the MMI system. So the control panel is over here, and I believe what we need to do is press those two buttons, push them towards the front of the vehicle, and at the same time press the control wheel. So this one forwards, this one forwards, this one down. And with those three pressed and released, the system should reboot. So let me try to do it right now, and we will see if this will work. Maybe I will be able to do it with one hand. And you can see that the screen is already dark, and I believe right now we need just to wait a couple seconds for the system to reboot. We can see the welcome screen on the display. So the system is right now loading, and after a few more seconds we should get some applications ready to be used, right, like the radio, media, and so on. And we can see that the system is already rebooted. So if you have some issues with your system, maybe the navigation is a little bit laggy, or you are using a diagnostic interface to make some changes in the unit, and you need to reboot it afterwards, this is the way to do it. Just push those two switches and press the control wheel at the same time, and release, and after you release, the system will immediately reboot. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial, and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.